guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys this kinky straight 22-inch hair from Alipearl. This is their U-part wig, and if you want to see how I installed this hair, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so we're just going to get straight into this video. I already have my U-part sectioned off, so you see the U, and then I already just went ahead and blow dried my real hair. So let's go ahead and take this hair out. So like I said in the intro, this is Alipearl's 22-inch Yaki straight hair texture, so this should match my blow dried texture pretty good. So this is what the hair looks like, and it's just a U-part wig, and U-part wigs are super simple to install, and you don't have to do too much leave out. So this is what it looks like straight out the box. 22 inches. It's actually very thick. It feels just like my real hair too, so that's a plus. And then even the color is spot on. It's like a 1B, and so that's the U part. So I'm gonna go ahead and just cut that part right there so I can install the hair. And my real hair in the back is just in these two braids. And whenever I wear like U-part wigs and wigs in general, I always use my Lavish Curls hair products. As you guys know, that's my hair care brand, and they work really good under wigs to keep your hair flourishing, healthy, growing, and thicker. So definitely we'll have that linked in the bio, in the description box, so you guys can check that out. So with this wig, there are clips so that your wig is nice and secure. That's the construction of this wig. It's just clips all around. And then also included, they do have like an edge scarf, another little like headband you could tie around your hair. Ooh, it comes with an edge control brush. I actually needed a new one. I always love when they include hair accessories, so I needed a new edge brush. Perfect. I know this is to like make the wigs tighter. And then a wig cap and a bag to store your hair in. So very necessary and good accessories they include. So for me, I am going to be doing a middle part, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and unsnap these. So I've worked with Alipearl hair before, and their hair is really good quality. I worked with them before on a headband wig. Okay, let's go ahead.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked it.
I literally left out the perfect amount of leave out. Okay, and then just making sure it's nice and secure in the back.
By the way, just
ooh, this is a lot of hair, and it's so thick. Like, let me zoom it out some for y'all. It's so thick. Hold on. This is what the hair is looking like. It's so thick, and it definitely comes down long. You can straighten this hair out if you want to, but for today I'm just going to do how it is, like kinky straight, blown out look. But this is good if you really have like type 4 hair and it's more on the kinky side, like 4B, 4C, and you want to blend your real hair with some kinky straight hair. You could always, you know, straighten out this hair a little bit more and then straighten your real leave out with it, and it'll really just look like it's your real hair, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do a middle part. And my hair in my very front section is always a looser texture than the rest of my hair, so that's why it kind of looks not as kinky as the wig might look, but the rest of my hair would match the wig. But I don't have to leave out the rest of my hair, so I'm just gonna brush it in. And you could actually wear it, you know, like out like this, because this actually does work. But I always like to tuck my hair when I wear U-parts, but this is what it looks like. Just like this. I could blow dry my real hair a little bit more to blend into it. So I guess my real hair is a little bit more kinkier. This hair is really soft and thick, you guys. But yeah, I wouldn't want to bother with even trying to straighten out this hair because it's so thick, and that's just giving me more work to do and labor. Like, the point of kinky straight to me is to wear it kinky straight. Or you could do like some really cute wand curls. I think that would be cute for this hair. So this is what it looks like in the back. It's super long, you guys. Super long hair. Okay, so yeah, this is just one way to wear it, and like I said, it's already installed, like super fast install. Now what I like to do is pin my hair back some, because right now I feel like it's not complimenting my face the way I would want to. So I'm just going to pin the sides back. So I'm just taking my leave out, and then I'm taking a bobby pin, and I'm gonna tuck that back and do the same for the other side. Take that and just tuck it back. Take a bobby pin. And boom. So yeah, this hair is very easy to blend if you have kinky hair naturally. It's a breeze to blend this. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. Full view. This is a look that you like, just kinky straight, blown out hair texture type of look. This actually looks very realistic. Like, it looks like my real hair blown out. And if I just go out like this, I'd have everybody fooled. They're gonna think, oh, she got inches. She got 22 inches. So yeah, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Do not forget to check out Alipearl. I will have all the information on this hair in the description box below. Make sure you shop around on their website, because they do offer a variety of different types of wigs. Like I said, they have headband wigs that are really bomb as well. Regular wigs. They got something on there that you'll like. So definitely check out Alipearl. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.